हेलो लर्नर्स, आपकी मैम आ चुकी हैं एपी क्वेश्चंस के नेक्स्ट पार्ट में। हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में 15 क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी कर लिए थे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस मोर क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सी दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. हाउ मेनी टू डिजिट नंबर्स आर डिविजिबल बाय 6? It means it should follow two conditions. The first condition, it should be of 2 digit, as well as it should be divisible by 6. So how many numbers are there which is divisible by 6 and are of 2 digit, they are asking. So for that we can think about the first term. Okay, the smallest 2 digit number is 10. Okay, but 10 is not divisible by 6. 11 is divisible by 6? No. It means the smallest number which is divisible by 6 is 12 and it is of 2 digit. So it is satisfying both the condition. Similarly, we can write the last term of the AP is okay. So the largest 2 digit number is double line, and double line is not divisible by 6. Which number is divisible by 6? Very good, 96. It means we have the first term, we have the last term, we have the common difference because it should, all the numbers divisible by 6 having a difference 6. Okay, we need to find out how many 2 digit numbers are divisible by 6. Means we need to find out the number of terms. Yes learners, find it out, the number of terms. So you will write an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of an is 96. The value of a is 12 plus n minus 1 into 6. If you simplify it, 84 is divided by 6 and minus 1. You will get how much? 1 and 4. 14 is equals to n minus 1. The value of n is 15. It means there are 15 natural numbers which are of 2 digit and divisible by 6. This is the required answer. 15 two-digit there are 15 two-digit numbers which are divisible by 6. Okay learner, this question is clear to you? Okay, now moving to the next question. In this question, they are asking to find the middle term of the AP. Okay, for finding the middle term, first we need to find out how many terms are there in this AP. So we have the first term, so we will write a equals to 6. We have the common difference 13 minus 6, that is 7. We have the last term, that is 216. We need to find out the number of terms, because for finding the middle term, first we need to find out the total number of terms. So we will write an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of an, a. So from this you will get 31 as a value of n. It means there are 31 terms written in this AP. Okay, so what will be the middle term? For middle term, we know if there are total n terms and n is odd, so middle term will be n plus 1 upon 2th term. So what is the value of n? 31. 31 plus 1, 32. 32 upon 2 is 16. Means 16 will be the middle term. So we need to find out 16th term. So a plus 15d with the help of general formula. 15 into d, that is 7. 6 plus, yes, multiply these. It is 105 and it is 111. Yes or no learners? This question is clear to you. If there are n terms and n is odd, so middle term formula is n plus 1 upon 2th term will be the middle term. So with that we had find out the 16th will be the middle term and the value of 16th term is 111. This question is clear to you learners? Okay. Now the question is, if there are if the value of n is even, how many middle terms are there? There will be 2 middle terms. The formula I had already told you. How to find out the middle term? When the number of terms is even, when n is even, the middle term will be n upon 2th term and n upon 2 plus 1th term will be the 2 middle terms. Okay, this is clear? Yes. Moving to the next question. Yes, try this question. The first and the last term is given. The first term is 8, the last term is 350, and if its common difference is 9. These 3 details we have. How many terms are there? So for finding the number of terms, we will find it with the help of general formula. So 350 is equals to 8 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 6. If you subtract this, it will be 342 over 6 is equals to n minus 1. How many times? 5, and this is 7. 57 is equals to n minus 1. The value of n is 58. Means there are 58 terms in this AP having a common difference 9 and whose first term is 8 and the last term is 350 respectively. Any doubt, learners? No. Okay, next question. Very easy question. Yes, we need to find out the value of a, b and c. Okay, a, b and c, if this all the 5 terms are in AP, so we can write 7 minus a is equals to b minus 7 is equals to 23 minus b is equals to c minus 23, because the difference between the consecutive terms are equal when the terms are in AP. So we can write a2 minus a1 is equals to a3 minus a2 is equals to a4 minus a3 is equals to a5 minus a4 is equals to d. That is the common difference. So we can equate all these relations. Yes, very good. From these two we can find out the value of b. Yes or no? Yes, very good. So it will be 2b equals to 30. The value of b is 15. If the value of b is 15, we can find out the value of a and c. So put the value of b in this. So you will get 7 minus a is equals to 15 minus 7. So it is going to be 14 minus 15 is equals to a. So the value of a is minus 1. Similarly, we can find out the value of c. Yes, put the value of b in this. So 23 minus 15 is equals to c minus 23. So the value of c is 46 minus 15, that is 31. Okay, learners, this question is clear to you. So the terms are minus 1, comma 7, comma 15, comma 23, comma 31. See this, the common difference is 8 among these terms in an AP. Yes or no? Okay. Now the next question. There are two APs, two different APs. So we will let the first AP as A1, A2, A3. This is the first AP we have. B1, B2, B3. This is the second AP we have. Two APs have the same common difference. Means in first AP the common difference is D, then the second AP is also having the common difference D, because two APs have the same common difference. Okay, and the difference between their 100th term is 100, means it is given in the question a 100 minus b 100 is equals to 100. So we need to find out the difference between their 50th term. We need to find what we need to find, to find a 50 minus b 50 value. Okay, see this question. The given information is a 100 minus b 100 is equals to 100. So with the help of general formula we can write a plus 99 d minus b plus 99d, because both the AP is having the same common difference. Okay, from this we will get a minus b is equals to 100. Yes or no? This is the relation from the given information. Okay, now what we need to find out? We need to find out the value of this. Okay, so we will solve this LHS and try to find out RHS. So we can write a plus 49d minus b plus 49d, because we need to find out the value of this term. So it will be a minus b after simplifying, and from the equation 1 we can write a minus b is equals to 100. Yes, so the value of a 50 minus b 50 is 100. This question is clear to you? Okay. Now the next. The sum of three numbers in an AP is minus 3 and their product is 8. Okay, I had already told you whenever we need to consider the three terms in an AP, we will always consider a minus d, a and a plus d. Why is it so? I had already told you, because it makes the calculation easier. We can also consider a plus d, a plus 2d and a, but we are not considering these because this makes calculation easier. Okay, the sum of three terms in an AP is minus 3. So if you add these three terms, what will come? 3a is equals to minus 3. According to the question, the sum of three terms in an AP is minus 3. So the value of a is minus 1. So the value of a is minus 1. Okay, so what will be the terms? So we have the first term as minus 1 minus d. The second term is minus 1. Okay, the third term is minus 1 plus d. Okay, according to the question, their product is minus 8. So we can write minus 1 minus d into minus 1 into minus 1 plus d is equals to 8. Yes or no? Okay, this minus multiply the equation by negative sign, so it will convert it into this. Okay, now this is an identity, a minus b into a plus b, it is going to be a square minus b square. So minus 1 whole square minus d whole square is equals to minus 8. Yes, simplify this more. 1 minus d square is equals to minus 8. So the value of d square is equals to 1 plus 8, that is 9. The value of d square is equals to 9. So the value of d is plus minus 3. Yes or no? Yes, very good. Therefore the numbers will be Therefore, the numbers will be, yes, minus 1, minus 3, if we are considering d as plus 3. Okay, so minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 1 plus 3. So the numbers will be minus 4, minus 1 and 2. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, if we consider d as minus 3, so it will be minus 1 plus 3, minus minus become positive, minus 1 and minus 1, minus 3. So the numbers again will be 2, minus 1 and minus 4. The numbers are the same now. Okay, so both the values of d are possible, plus and minus 1. So if what they are asking simply the numbers. So the numbers will be minus 4, minus 1 and 2. This is the required answer. Okay learners, this question is clear? Yes. Now the next question. Okay, what we need to show? We need to show these terms are in AP. These terms are in AP, so it should satisfy the condition I had already told you. 2b is equals to a plus c. We will see are they satisfying this or not. Okay, this is, you know na, the middle term is considered as b, the first term a, the third term is c. Okay, so a, b, c. Okay, so 2b matlab 2 into a square plus b square should be equals to a, that is a minus b whole square plus b plus c whole square according to. So we are going to solve the RHS. So it is going to be expand this with the help of algebraic identity. So it will be a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. Simplify it, you will get twice of a square plus b square. Since it is satisfying the condition, it means the numbers are in AP, hence proved. Okay learners, the LHS is equals to RHS, it means 2b is equals to a plus c. This only happens when the numbers are in AP, hence proved. Okay, any doubt? No? Yes. Next question. Which term of the AP will be 99 more than its 25th term? For this, first we need to find out the 25th term. Okay, find out the 25th term, and when you add 99 on 25th term, you will get a certain number, and you need to find out which certain number acquire which position. Which term of the AP? AP की ऐसी कौन सी टर्म है जो 25th टर्म से 99 ज़्यादा है? तो सबसे पहले तो वो टर्म निकालनी होगी, तभी तो उसकी पोजीशन बता पाएंगे हम. तो हम उसकी वो टर्म निकालने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो वी हैव द फर्स्ट टर्म एज 3. The common difference is 14 minus 3 is 11. Okay, the 25th term will be a plus 24d. Yes, simplify this. 3 plus 24 into 11 will be 3 plus 264 is equals to 267. This is the 25th term. Okay, we need to find out an. So an will be 99 plus 825. So according to this, 99 plus 267 is equals to, add these two, it will become 366. Now we need to find out 366 is acquired in which position. What is the position of the number 366 in this AP? Yes or no? Okay, so the an we have 366, the value of a we have 3, the value of d we have 11, the value of n we need to find out. A n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, simplifying this, you will get 363 divided by 11 is equals to n minus 1. 33 equals to n minus 1. The value of n is 34. The value of n is 34 means which term of the AP will be 99 more than? Okay, only we need to find out the term, not the position. Which term of the AP will be? Okay, the 34th term of the AP will be 99 more than its 25th term. We need to find out the term. Okay, and 366 is that term. 366 term is 99 more than its 25th term, and 366 is acquiring the 34th position in this AP. Both the questions can be asked, either they can ask the term or either they can ask the term along with their position. So the term is 366 and their position is 34. This question is clear to you learners? Okay, now the next question. Determine the AP. We need to find out the AP. For finding the AP, we should have the first term and the common difference. Okay, see, determine the AP whose fourth term is given as 18. If the fourth term is 18, so we can write a plus 3d is equals to 18. And the difference of the ninth term from the 15th term is, Okay, the difference of the 9th term इसमें से from the 15th term means a15 minus a9 is given as 30. So here from this we can get another relation. Yes, write this: a plus 14d is minus a plus 8d is equals to 30. A will cancel by a, so you will have 6d equals to 30. The value of d is 5. If the value of d is 5, you will put in equation number 1 to get the value of a. So a plus 15 is equals to 18. The value of a is 3. You have the first term, you have the common difference, you can find out the AP. So the AP will be 3, 8, 13, 18, so on. This is clear to you? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Any doubt? No?